Changes are coming to Colorado's COVID-19 vaccine plan. Hundreds of thousands of Coloradans are moving up in line to get their shots. The state now says people 70 and older can get their shots next, along with first responders and some essential workers like teachers and grocery workers. Governor Polis says the hope is getting older Coloradans vaccinated sooner will help stop the majority of our COVID-19 deaths. When Phase 1B will begin, that will vary from county to county. Some older Coloradans could get their first shots as soon as next week.
The man with America's first confirmed case of a more contagious strain of COVID-19 was working as a National Guardsman at a nursing home in Simla, Colorado. Health leaders are not sure if he was infected before he got to the Good Samaritan nursing home or if he was infected there. He says he hasn't traveled recently. The nursing home just received their first dose of vaccine. They say they hope to have the residents vaccinated as quickly as they can. More than 100 In-N-Out employees have now tested positive for COVID-19 at the two biggest restaurant outbreaks in Colorado. 42 workers at the Aurora In-N-Out have been infected, more than double last week. And one in Colorado Springs, 80 employees tested positive. Now, the state doesn't know if any customers were infected at the restaurant. Colorado's Department of Labor says 9 in 10 of the pandemic unemployment assistance claims that they have gotten recently have been fraudulent. Over the past few days, many people have said that they got an unemployment card in the mail and they didn't ask for one. The state says if it happens, call the number on the card to deactivate it, then fill out the fraud form on the Colorado Department of Labor website. Arapahoe County will start taking applications for the 5-star variance program today. Businesses have to prove that they follow strict safety rules if they want to open indoor dining. Arapahoe County says inspections will start next week. Any place approved gets to open with 25% capacity, although that may change next week because we just heard that 5-star restaurants can go to level yellow starting next week. Governor Jared Polis might let Colorado's eviction ban end today. A spokeswoman told us that the federal COVID relief bill and state resources could be enough to help people facing eviction. But they also say they're reviewing if any further administrative actions will be necessary.